Are you tired of feeling guilty and ashamed about your shopping habits? Compulsive shopping disorder affects millions of people worldwide, but it doesn't have to control your life. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies for managing your symptoms and finding freedom from the grip of this addiction. Welcome to Meducatives. This is the official YouTube channel of www.meducatives.com. We believe that awareness is everything, and our goal is to promote it. Compulsive shopping disorder, also known as shopping addiction or compulsive buying disorder, is a mental health condition characterized by an uncontrollable urge to shop and spend money, despite negative consequences. People with this disorder may feel a sense of excitement or pleasure when shopping, but often experience guilt, shame, and anxiety afterwards. Characteristics: preoccupation with shopping. People with compulsive shopping disorder may obsess over shopping and spend a lot of time thinking about it. They may plan shopping trips and look for sales and deals even when they don't need anything. Impulsive buying. People with compulsive shopping disorder often make unplanned purchases, buying items they may not need or want, or cannot afford. They may feel a temporary high or rush when making the purchase, but often experience feelings of guilt, shame, or regret later. Financial problems. Compulsive shopping disorder can lead to significant financial problems. People with this disorder may spend beyond their means and accumulate debt, which can lead to strained relationships with family and friends. Emotional distress. People with compulsive shopping disorder may experience negative emotions such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. They may use shopping as a way to cope with difficult emotions, which can create a cycle of addiction. Relationship problems. Compulsive shopping can cause conflicts in relationships, especially with partners and family members who may be affected by the financial consequences of the disorder. The disorder can also lead to social isolation and withdrawal. Compulsive shopping disorder can affect people of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. However, research has found that women are more likely to be affected than men. According to a study conducted by the National Institute of Mental Health, approximately 5.8% of adults in the United States have experienced compulsive buying disorder at some point in their lifetime. Another study found that approximately 6% of the general population in Europe has experienced compulsive buying disorder. In terms of age, compulsive shopping disorder tends to be more common in young adults and middle-aged adults, although it can affect people of all ages. Studies have also found a higher prevalence of the disorder among people who are single, divorced, or separated, as well as those with higher incomes and levels of education. It's important to note that these statistics are based on self-reported surveys, and the true prevalence of the disorder may be higher due to underreporting or lack of awareness of the disorder. If you are struggling with compulsive shopping, there are several self-help strategies you can use to cope with your symptoms. Develop new hobbies. If you use shopping as a stress reliever or a form of entertainment, try to find a healthier replacement. Consider trying activities like yoga, hiking, or painting as a way to relieve stress and occupy your time. Stick to a list. Make a list of what you need before you go shopping and challenge yourself to stick to it. This can help you avoid impulse purchases and keep your spending in check. Enlist a friend. If sticking to your shopping list feels impossible, try enlisting a supportive friend to accompany you to the store. Ask your friend to help hold you accountable and encourage you to stick to your list. Pay in cash. Give yourself a cash allowance and put your credit cards away for emergencies only. You'll be less likely to make impulsive purchases when you have a limited amount of cash on hand. Unsubscribe and block. If you frequently shop online, unsubscribe from marketing emails and use an app or browser extension to block or limit your access to shopping websites. For loved ones of those struggling with compulsive shopping, it's important to approach the issue with love and concern. Avoid using shame or criticism to motivate behavior change, as this can be harmful and ineffective. Consider seeking the guidance of a therapist to work through your own emotions before approaching your loved one about their shopping habits. Remember that recovery from compulsive shopping disorder requires more than just feelings of shame. Effects. Compulsive shopping disorder can have significant effects on a person's life, including financial problems. As mentioned above, compulsive shopping can lead to debt, bankruptcy, and other financial issues. Relationship problems. The disorder can cause conflicts in relationships, and people with the disorder may feel ashamed or guilty about their behavior, which can further strain relationships. Legal issues. People with compulsive shopping disorder may resort to illegal activities such as theft or fraud to fund their shopping addiction, which can lead to legal problems. Mental health issues. The disorder can contribute to or exacerbate mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Occupational problems. People with compulsive shopping disorder may have trouble keeping a job or meeting their work responsibilities due to their addiction. Treatment. Treatment for compulsive shopping disorder typically involves a combination of therapy and medication. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can help people identify and change negative thoughts and behaviors related to shopping. This therapy can help people recognize the triggers that lead to compulsive shopping and develop coping strategies to avoid or manage those triggers. Medications such as antidepressants or anti-anxiety medications may be prescribed to help manage the emotional symptoms of the disorder. Support groups, such as Debtors Anonymous, can provide a supportive environment for people struggling with compulsive shopping. These groups offer peer support and encouragement to overcome the addiction. Lifestyle changes, such as creating a budget, avoiding shopping triggers, and practicing mindfulness techniques, can also be effective in managing compulsive shopping behavior. Family therapy or couples therapy may be helpful in repairing damaged relationships caused by the disorder. Further research needed. There is a lot of debate around how this condition should be classified. Some researchers link compulsive shopping to addictive disorders, grouping it alongside alcohol and drug use disorders and behavioral addictions like gambling addiction. Others have linked it to obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. Still, others link it to mood disorders. With the prevalence of this disorder, as well as the evidence that the number of people affected by it is increasing, more research needs to be done to learn how to more effectively screen and treat people who live with compulsive shopping disorder. In summary, compulsive shopping disorder is a mental health condition characterized by an uncontrollable urge to shop and spend money, despite negative consequences. The disorder can cause significant effects on a person's life, including financial, emotional, and relationship problems. Treatment typically involves therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes to manage the disorder and its symptoms. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website www.meducatives.com. You may like our free ebooks and medical and health educational products on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, and pressing the bell icon to receive notifications for more content like this. Lastly, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.